In this video, I'm going to show you the basics of Extrude in Zoo Design Studio. So to do an extrude, first we need a sketch. So let's go ahead and hit Start Sketch. Click on any one of the planes. I'll click the XY plane. We can do our starting sketch with lines. We can do circle. We can do some arcs. And let's close it out. It must be closed in order to do an extrude. So let's exit sketch. And then extrude is this button right here. So we'll click this button, select our face. Let's do an extrusion of 200 millimeters and confirm. Now that we have our extrusion, we can also extrude a sketch that is on the face of an existing geometry. So if I hit Start Sketch and click this face, for an example, now I could draw, let's say, a circle, exit sketch, and do the same thing we did before. Click Extrude, select my sketch, and a negative value indicates a cut or a pocket in negative extrusion. So let's do -40, confirm, and we have created a pocket. If I want to edit my extrusion, I can go to the feature tree right here. Let's open that. I can click on one of my extrusions, and let's say I do 300 millimeters instead. Once I confirm, you'll see it edit here. And same with my pocket. I can make this -80, confirm, and now it is a deeper pocket. Next, I'm going to show you how to do an extrusion in KCL. First, let's open up the KCL code pane. The KCL currently here is the square that you see in the scene. So this is my starting sketch, and this is the units. I'm currently in inches. So I can do this one of two ways. I could either pipe it in, which is this symbol right here, and start typing extrude and hit enter, in which it'll pipe it in with this % symbol. The % symbol means stay or pass in the current sketch that we're in, and then extrude it by a length of 3.14. I could also break it out into its own variable. So say I wanted to do something like this, my extrude equals extrude, and then now since it no longer exists in that sketch, I would have to pass in the sketch itself. And we get the same result.